Welcome to TechUnited Take 5 Live, where we introduce you to members of TechUnited in a fun and personalized way. I am your host, Dan Sullivan, the manager of member success, joining today by the fantastic team at Talking Medicines. Ellie and Olivia, please introduce yourself, if you don't mind, personally, each of you.
Cool, I'll go first. I'm Ellie Halliday. I am data privacy and compliance manager at Talking Medicines.
And I am Olivia Lane, and I'm the business development executive at Talking Medicines.
Awesome. Well, thank you very much. One of the cool things, first off, you are together on the same screen. We don't see this every day, right? This is amazing. So where are you tuning in from today? Would you mind sharing that?
Yeah, we're currently over in Jersey City. So we've literally just opened our office here. So it's been nice to cover it off over here for the last 8-9 days before we head back home. So yeah.
We'll be back soon.
We will.
We definitely want you back soon, but I definitely get the vibe to go back home, especially in a very important week culturally, especially back in the UK. So word has it on the block, you're one of the hottest digital startups on the UK scene. Can you tell us a bit about how you got there? And more importantly, what's like the number one thing that people should know about Talking Medicines, getting to know you for the first time?
Sure. So we're a Scottish-based data tech company focusing on patient intelligence through our new SaaS product, Patient Metrics. As a company, we started in 2013 in more of a bespoke kind of consultancy base and moves towards, really understanding patients and what they say about their medicines and how they talk about their medicines, which has led us to Patient Metrics today, which is very exciting.
Absolutely. And for those tuning in just for the first time, Talking Medicine just moved into Jersey City. They scored a huge $1.5 million funding round to bring them across the pond, quite a ways as well. But word on the block has it they've been loving it so far here. And I know Ellie and Olivia are here just for a few short days, but they will be coming back. But what is like the most exciting thing you've experienced in Jersey City so far? For us, that's one of our big urban areas. TechUnited has our offices there as well. So what's the thing that wants you to make you come back besides your awesome team?
I think everyone's just so lovely. Everyone's so nice. They've got an energy about them, and everyone's just been so welcoming as well.
We've made a lot of connections through our TechUnited membership, which has been amazing.
It has been great.
The people that we have met have been genuine people giving genuine solutions to some of our problems, which has been really nice to see.
Amazing.
So thank you very much.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Actually, one of my favorite things about this conversation is I'm not talking to the founder or one of the executives at the company. I'm talking to the team that's behind the scenes driving the ship. I love that. So what made you start to work at this company? What makes you keep coming back each and every day, loving your job? What makes you excited to be a part of that team?
So our full-time staff is up to about 14, and we have another 15 who are in our annotation team, 15 to 20 really. What keeps us coming back is just this exciting journey. We think we're in a really innovative space, and there's so much space for us to get into and get involved. We're
definitely also connected to our mission as well, and we're also passionate about the bigger picture of putting patients back into the center of what everyone's doing in this industry. So that's great. And on a personal level, Talking Medicines just promote your learning and career development and everything like that. So we definitely feel like a family, and we're so excited to see what our journey ahead looks like over in Glasgow and as well over here.
Awesome. Well, it's a big week in the UK. It is St. Patrick's Day. For me, it's one of my favorite holidays of the year. I'm already cooking every piece of that feast I can. Why don't you give us a snapshot, for those that have never been to the UK or to Scotland? I was just there myself just a few short weeks ago. It is an absolutely beautiful place. It is a cultural endeavor. It's amazing, especially the city of Edinburgh, where I spent a few days. I just got totally immersed. So, you came across to the US. What's the huge difference culturally between what happens in Scotland or the UK, and what have you experienced here in the US? What do you love about home just as much as you love about here?
You're the best person to answer that one.
So I'm from Scotland, as you can probably hear in my voice. And we do have multiple days like St. Paddy's Day. We also have St. Andrew's Day. And I know from going to Edinburgh Uni, we all celebrate all of these kind of Celtic traditions, which is really fun. You do see quite a few Celts and lots of haggis at that kind of time of the year.
Alcohol, I can imagine.
And lots of alcohol. But yeah, in the US, I've also seen some excitement around St. Paddy's Day, which is great to see that it's travelled across the pond as well.
Got it. Okay. What is your favorite, like UK? I'm a breakfast guy. That's like my most important meal of the day. I had haggis. I had black pudding. I had everything possible when I was over that way. What is like you're having breakfast. Maybe it's a little treat day. What's your favorite kind of traditional bite from the Scottish UK palate?
Oh, ours are probably different. Mine is a bit weird. Mine's you can't get. So I live in London, but we go over to Glasgow for work quite a lot. And a square sausage. I know that's so random, but it's so good for our breakfast. And you can't get them back in London either. So yeah.
I think mine would be a Tunnocks tea cake, which you probably haven't heard of. A very Scottish thing. So shout out to Tunnocks because it's a great snack. And I know a lot of our team enjoy Tunnocks as well.
Yes, they do.
I have actually never had that. It's going to have to be on my list.
So, put on your list.
Thank you for the recommendation. Let's flip the coin. What's your favorite American bite so far? You landed in Jersey City. There's everything you could possibly want at your fingertips. If you want Asian cuisine, if you want that good old American burger, I think that your team mentioned to me the Ashford was your favorite spot you've been visiting so far in town, which is a fantastic menu in itself. So what's your favorite dish here in America? What's been your favorite bite?
It's been nice to be able to try everything, like you said. I think every night we've definitely tried to do something a bit different, which has been the best part about it. We've done Mexicans, had margaritas.
The Mexicans and margaritas were great, but I think the pizza in Little Italy might have been my favorite.
Yes.
Classic.
Lived up to reputation. For sure.
New York pizza is one of its own, but also is New Jersey. Don't let New York take all the pride.
Oh,
yeah.
Now, the last thing I think I want to talk about, this is a female founded company. It's an amazing story. On the heels of International Women's Day, talking to both of you yourself, how is that embedded into the culture at Talking Medicines? I know there's a ton of women on the team. They are really doing an amazing job at this company. No doubt all the accredits and no doubt the founding. So talk about that a bit of how that's a big part of your culture there at the company. Probably more importantly, a big differentiator for you.
I think we have a great gender balance in our company, and having a female founded company is maybe not something you come across every day, especially in kind of the STEM industry. So it's great that we have so many females involved, and we're really trying to empower anybody to come into the STEM industry because it's such a cool space to be in. It's so innovative, and we're really trying to do that from the inside out. I
think we're encouraged every day to break the bias, and there's definitely a lot more we can continue to do as well.
Fantastic. Well, I think we have just about out of time. We try to keep this short and interesting. Ellie and Olivia, thank you for your time. They are in Jersey City for 2 more days. That's a lot of time, people. So you can still meet with them one-on-one before they take the flight back to the UK. I know they're extremely sad about that, but they will be back. But thank you so much, not only for getting involved with Tech United, for stepping up today to jump on live with me. It's been super fun to not only learn about the company, but to also learn about each of you a bit more personally and professionally, and talk about Scotland, which I love very, very much. And I think we like to close this out the way we always do, with a good old-fashioned high five. So on the count of 3, we're going to do that. So 1, 2, 3. Boom, high five. Good luck with your travels. Happy St. Patrick's Day to those celebrating. And make sure you check out Talking Medicines on LinkedIn. Head to their website, or more importantly, just reach out to Ellie and Olivia right through LinkedIn. So thank you both again for your time. We'll talk to you soon, okay?
Thanks so much. Bye.
Bye.